Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Techie Talk. So today in our channel we are going to see the top 10 health benefits of eating fish which can change your life drastically. Fish is among the healthiest food on the planet. It is loaded with important nutrients such as proteins and vitamin D. Fish is also a great source of omega 3 fatty acids which is incredibly important for your body and brain. Number 1. Do you know fish helps in boost your brain health? Your brain function often declines with aging. So intake is linked to reduce mental decline in older adults. People who eat fish regularly also have more gray matter in the brain, centers that control memory and emotions. So it's a main source of improving your brain's health. Number 2, it's high in important nutrients. Fish is packed with many nutrients that most people are lagging. So, including high quality protein like iodine and various vitamins and minerals, fatty varieties also pack omega 3 fatty acid and vitamin D. To meet your omega 3 requirement, eating fatty fish at least once or twice in a week is recommended. If you are vegan, opt for vegan 3 supplements made from fish oil. Number 3. Do you know eating fish may lower your risk of heart attacks and strokes? Heart attacks and strokes are the two most common causes of premature death in the world. Fish is considered one of the most heart healthy food you can eat. Unsurprisingly, many large observational studies shows that people who eat fish regularly have a low risk of heart attacks and strokes and death from heart diseases. So, researchers believe that fatty types of fish are even more beneficial for heart health due to their high protein omega 3 fatty acid content. Number 4. Fish contains nutrients that are very crucial during development. Omega 3 fatty acids are essential for growth and development. So, the omega 3 fatty acids, which are called DHA, is especially important for brain and eye development. For this reason, it's often recommended that pregnant and breastfeeding women eat enough omega 3 fatty acids. However, there is an issue. Some fish are high in mercury, which is linked to brain development problems. So, thus, pregnant women should only eat low mercury fish such as salmon, sardines, and trout, and etc. They should also avoid raw and uncooked fish because it may contain microorganisms that can harm the fetus. Number 5. You know that fish may help prevent and treat depression. Depression is a common mental condition these days. It's characterized by low mood, sadness, decreased energy, and loss of interest in life and its activities. So studies has found that people who eat fish regularly are much less likely to become depressed, and numerous controlled trials also reveals that omega-3 fatty acids may fight depression and significantly increase the effectiveness of antidepressant medication. Number 6. Fish acts as a good dietary source of vitamin D. Vitamin D functions like a steroid hormone in your body. And fish products are among the best dietary source of vitamin D. Fatty fish like salmon can contain highest amount of vitamin D. Some fish oils such as cod liver oil are also very high in vitamin D, providing more than 200% of daily value in a single tablespoon. So if you don't get much sun and don't eat fatty fish regularly, you may want to consider taking vitamin D as a supplement. Number 7. Fish may reduce your risk of autoimmune diseases. Autoimmune diseases like type 1 diabetes occur when your immune system mistakenly attacks and destroys healthy body tissues. So, some experts believe that fish intake may lower your risk of autoimmune diseases, and also in the adults the diabetes. Number 8. Eating fish can also prevent asthma in children. Asthma is common disease characterized by chronic inflammation of airways. Rates of this condition has increased dramatically over the past few decades. So the best solution is eating fish can reduce 24% risk of getting asthma in children. Number 9. Fish may protect your vision in old ages. Age related macular degeneration is the leading cause of vision impairment and blindness that mostly affect during older adults. So, some evidence suggests that fish and omega 3 fatty acids may protect against these diseases. Number 10. Fish may improve sleep quality. Sleep disorders have become incredibly common worldwide. Increased exposure to blue light may play a role, but some reasons believe that vitamin D deficiency may also be involved. So it's suggested to eat as much as possible fish or omega 3 fatty acids. So if you have liked my content, please do subscribe and also hit the like button.